Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will solve day 10 problem of HackerRank, that is on binary numbers. So let's see what is the challenge given. So the task is given a base 10 integer and convert it into binary base 2. Means the base 10 integer will be given and we have to convert it into binary of base 2. Then find and print the base 10 integer denoting the maximum number of consecutive ones in n's binary representation. Means it's telling that after converting it to binary number, calculate the consecutive number of ones present in that binary number. Okay, so for example, the number is 125, and if we convert it into binary, then the binary will be 111101. Okay, so there are 5 number of ones consecutively present in that binary number, so it will count the maximum consecutive number of ones. Okay, so that is 5. Okay, so you can see a sample input also. If the input is 5, then its binary will be 101, where only one consecutive one is present. Okay, and if the binary of 13 is found, then the binary is 1101, where two numbers of 1 are consecutive. Okay, so here we have to find the binary number and count the consecutive number of ones present in it. So let's do our code. So first, HackerRank has already taken a input for us. Okay, then we have to take a empty list so that we can append our remainder in it and count it whether consecutive number of ones present in it. So I am taking a variable rmd is equal to empty list. Okay, after that, in while loop I am checking n is greater than 0. If n is greater than 0, then I am storing the remainder in rm variable and percentile 2. Okay, rm variable will contain all the remainders. Okay, then I am changing the value of n and storing the quotient in it. Okay, and appending the remainder in our empty list, that is rmd dot append function, and passing rm in it so that it will store all the binary numbers. So like 1 0 1 1 1 1, which is a binary number of 125. Okay, I'm just writing in rough. Okay, so that you can better understand it. So the binary number of 125 will be 111101. Okay, in reverse order. Okay, so no problem, we have to calculate the consecutive ones only. So after that, I am taking a variable count and result is equal to 0 and initializing count is equal to 0 and result is equal to 0. In count, I will count the number of ones coming. Okay, and in result I will calculate the max among the result and count. Okay, So I'm taking a for loop for that. For I in range 0 to length of the list, that is RMD. Okay, if RMD of I is equal to 0, then it will count as 0. Okay, then else it will increment our count value, count plus is equal to 1. Okay, then I am taking result is equal to max of result comma count. Okay, then at last outside the for loop I am printing the result. So what happened in this code is, inside the for loop I have checked the condition if RMD of I is equal to 0. If inside the list it is found 0, then it will count is equal to 0. Okay, else if it will found 1, then it will increase our count value to 1. Okay, then at last result is equal to max of result count, which will give the maximum value among the result and count. Okay, so let's take an example and understand it. If I am converting 125 to its binary, then my remainder will be 1 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, 1. Then if RMD of 0 is equal to 0, then here you can check it is not equal to 0, so it will come to else condition, then count is equal to 1, then result is equal to max of 0 and 1, that is 1. Okay, so again in the first index it is 0, so RMD of 1 is equal to 0, condition true, then it will again change the count value to 0. Okay, then it will again taking 1, which is of second index, so RMD of 2 is equal to 0, condition false, then it will come to else part where count will be increased by 1. Okay, so count is equal to 1 and max will be 1. Again it is coming 1, so it will again increase the count value by 1, which is 2, so max will be 2, and it will continue till the last, and it will count the number of consecutive ones present in it, and at last the count value will be 5 because here consecutive ones are present. Okay, so max of result and count will be 5 at last because 5 number of consecutive ones are present. Okay, at last we are printing the result, that will print as 5. So let's test our code. Let's running the code. Yes, you can see it's passed the test case. Let's submit the code. Yes, it's passed all the test cases. So that's all for day 10 binary number conversion. Okay, so we have successfully completed day 10 problem. Okay, so we will meet in our next video. Thank you.